Hello and welcome back to Mr. Seal. Let's begin. First select the top plane and create the sketch. Now let's make the hexagon base with 6 sides, so double click it. Now use this tool to make this point and this line attach. And now let's set its dimensions to 3 inches. Great. Now click on the top plane and create the offset plane by 1 inch. Click OK. And let's copy the sketch. Double click, copy sketch. Select the new plane, paste sketch. Now let's go ahead and shift it. We will shift it by 0.25 inches to one side and to the other. Great. Now let's also rotate it by 45 degrees, and to do this we can just make this line horizontal. Command Z, horizontal. Great. Click OK. Now we have those two sketches offset. Again, let's pick this plane, create a new plane. Let's go 1 inch to the top. Click OK. Select the plane, paste the sketch. Now let's edit the sketch again, but this time we will move it this way by 1/4 inch up and to the left. Awesome. But let's not forget making it completely vertical. So let's use the vertical tool to align this side to be vertical. Great. Click OK. Now again, another plane up by 1 inch. And let's copy, paste, and now let's paste the sketch in. Paste the sketch. And let's make this sketch as our last sketch centric. And let's shift the side again. Great. Now what we will do, we will use another tool. Here it is, bridge curve, where we'll connect every single point and create the new lines. Don't forget to unhide the sketches back and repeat the process. Here we go. Now we had completed the skeleton of our base. Let's hide the planes so they don't obstruct our view. And now we will use this Loft tool. And we will use this tool to select two lines, and it will create the plane between them. Now click OK, and we will repeat this process. Now, sometimes this Loft might fail, and it's okay. Instead of it, just create a new one and later go back in and change it to add. It's just that sometimes Onshape is glitching. But for now it's all working, so let's continue. As you can see, I selected in two parts and slowly just build it from here, because you cannot just select all of those lines at once. Here we go. Give it a second and it will form the solid part. Here we go. Now we just need to use the shell tool, and it will create the walls of thickness of 0.1 millimeter. We will change it to 0.2 and click OK. Now we have our hollowed out plant pod. That is very stylish. Thank you and have a great day.